Hey guys, welcome back to the Mirror Comments. Like, subscribe, and share. In my previous video, aka the one that's basically in like a 5-second duration that I posted. So I was playing a recorder, Hot Cross Buns. It's a very simple song. I'll be posting more and more recorder videos. So there's a brand new instrument on the channel. But no, I'll not be playing Hot Cross Buns because I can't have two videos with the same topic. We're gonna be playing. So last weekend, I did that Dance of the Irish. And if you're wondering if this guy's changed, no, he's still such a clone. He's lame. But, so yeah. So, let me just put my recorder back here. Oh, okay. I don't even know where that grape came from. It was just on the floor. But, yeah. So, the Dance of the Irish, the timing was horrible. I didn't even do the third page. So today we'll be fixing all of that. And then you can watch the old video to see to see before and after. Here's after. Flip the page. Guys, that's not a mistake. Flipping the page is a very big part of piano, as you know. Now here, I always get stuck, but I will get past it. Before and after, get it? So, but I won't be doing the third page because I did not even do the third page in the old original thing. So, that is why I will do before and after. See how ugly that sounded? I like the new version better. Bye. Like, subscribe, and share.